this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. This Belkin battery is made for iPhone and iPad. Gives you 70 plus hours more battery life. It is 10,000 milliamp rated, and it has something called boost charge. And it has a lightning connector, so the same cable that you use to charge your iPhone or iPad, you can use to charge this. So no more looking for a micro USB or USB-C cable. You can use one lightning cable to charge them all. It's pretty cool. It's one of the first companies I've seen that does this with lightning. So inside the case, here is the white battery. 10,000 milliamp, like I said. On and off light. There we go. So it needs to be charged up. Going inside the plastic cover here. It'll have two USB type A ports on the top, as well as that lightning port that I was talking about. So nice white plastic right here, high impact plastic, so you could drop it and it feels like it could handle it, not breaking too bad. Here are the two USB type A ports and the lightning port right there. So you use the same cord, like I said, for your iPhone or iPad to charge this up. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter, and we've just shown you the new Belkin 10,000 milliamp battery with boost charge.